I was talking with a friend of mine, Brother Michael Keane, on the radio this morning, and talking about songwriting and how certain songs get written. And time again, you'll hear from composers, and it's true with some of the ones that I've written that I still play, that I like to play, or ones that folks tell me are their favorites. And quite often, they're just, you're more of like rather than the author, you're like the midwife, actually, just kind of coaxing this song into the world. And back in the mid-'70s, when Dennis joined the Sons of Hawaii, Eddie Kamai would tell him, gotta get a tape recorder, and always bring it with you everywhere you go. And so they were driving in a rent-a-car, and they were in Kamalo and Molokai, heading east and going north, and the mountains up there, these waterfalls were just gushing. So Eddie asked Uncle Eddie to pull over. He pulled over, and Dennis said basically at that moment the waterfalls just basically sang that melody to him instantaneously, and he just hummed it and captured it down. And then he went back home and wrote the words after. But so that's one of those magical times. And I was fortunate enough to have Uncle Dennis was taking us on a driving tour of Molokai, talking about driving to the places where he wrote those songs. So he was telling the stories in these spots. So it was awesome. So Kumo Lorraine's going to dance this classic, Wahine Ilikea.
Aina ulu